Hello friends, happy Friday! It's time for math with Mrs. Ides. Today we are going to compare our numbers 1 through 5. We are going to be matching pictures and counting. We're going to be reviewing more, fewer, the same, or as many as. And we are going to be labeling the pictures we see with our numbers, okay? So today is like a big review day. So let's go ahead and get two colors. You can choose any two colors you like. I like to use red and yellow because it reminds me of my counting dots. Okay, so let's add our name at the top of the page. Remember, uppercase and lowercase letters. And you can use crayons today. All right, friends. I'll give you a few more seconds to write your name. And we are on 2-5. 2-5 in your math workbook. All right, take a look, friends. Good job. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. First, we are going to color one side with one color and the other side with another color. Then we are going to match the pictures that have as many. After that, we are going to talk about more or fewer and label our picture. All right, friends, let's begin. I'm going to use red and yellow. So on this side, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes on the left. So I'll trace my 5. And then I'm going to use my other color. 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes on the right. So I will trace my number 4. Okay, let's match the pictures. I'll get another color. 1 and 1 match. 2 and 2 match. 3 and 3 match. 4 and 4 match. Oh my goodness. Do I have a match for number 5? No. That means I have one more red than yellow. Or I can say I have one fewer yellow than red. That's right. Let's circle the number that is greater. Is 5 greater or is 4 greater? Greater means more. So which one shows me more? Which number is greater? 5. That's right. Good job, friends. Let's do the same for number 2. All right, I'm going to use my red on the left. 1, 2, 3. So I'll trace my 3, and then I'll switch my color. Let's do yellow on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will trace my 5. Let's match them. 1 and 1 match. 2 and 2 match. 3 and 3 match. Oh my goodness. Which side shows me more? Yes, my yellow side shows me more. How many more? 2 more. Great job. My red side shows me fewer. How many fewer? 2 fewer. Excellent. Let's circle the greater number. Remember, greater means more, the biggest number. Which one is the greater number? Is 3 greater or is 5 greater? That's right. 5 is greater. 5 is greater than 3. Good job, friends. All right, let's take a look down here at the fishy number 3. We're going to do the same thing where we are going to color the pictures and match them. And then we're going to see, this time, which number is greater and which number is less. But on the bottom this time here, we're going to circle less than. That means fewer. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left. Let's trace it. Good job, friends. Now I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right, and I'll trace my 4. Good job, friends. Let's go ahead and match them. 1 and 1 match. 2 and 2 match. 3 and 3 match. 4 and 4 match. Is there a fifth one? Is there a number 5 in my yellow? No. Yellow has 1 fewer than red. Red has 1 more than yellow. So boys and girls, at the top we circled the greater number, the number that showed me more. But on the bottom, we are going to circle the number that is less. That means fewer, less. So is 5 less than 4 or is 4 less than 5? That's right. 4 is less than 5 because it is 1 fewer. Good job, friends. Let's compare 2 and 4. Are you ready? All right, I'm going to go 1, 2, and trace my 2 with my red. And now I'm going to get my yellow, and I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll trace my 4. Okay, friends, let's match our pictures. 1 and 1 match. 2 and 2 match. Do I have any more red? No, I don't. How many fewer red are there than yellow? Did you say 2 fewer? You are right. How many more yellow do I have than red? Did you say 2 more yellow than red? You are right. So friends, which number shows me less? Less. That's right, 2 is less than 4. It's fewer. Good job, boys and girls. Let's continue our learning on the back of our page. Here we go. Let's do this now with pictures of objects. So we are still comparing our numbers through 5, using 2, 3, 4, 1, all those numbers, 1 through 5. Okay, let's draw a line from each item in one group to the other group. Then we're going to count the numbers and circle the number that is less. That shows me fewer, okay? So we can go ahead and choose some different pretty colors for these flowers. I think I'm going to choose orange and purple. All right, I'm going to make some orange circle flowers at the top, and I'm going to make 2 purple tulips at the bottom. So let's match them up. 1 and 1, 2 and 2. There's 1 more orange flower than purple. How many orange flowers do I have? 1, 2, 3. So let's make a 3. Good job. How many purple tulips do I have? 1, 2. Excellent. What is fewer, boys and girls? Is 3 or is 2? Fewer. 2. 2 is less than 3. It's 1 fewer. 2 is less than 3. Great job. Let's get some other colors for our buckets and our shovels. This reminds me of the beach, doesn't it? All right, let's color our buckets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to label 5 right here. 5 buckets. Let's color our shovels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shovels. Okay, boys and girls, let's match them up. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. Oh my goodness, I have 1 extra bucket left over. So, 5 and 4. 4 is 1 less. So which one shows me fewer? Do I have fewer buckets or do I have fewer shovels? That's right. I have fewer shovels, which means I have less shovels than buckets. 4 is less than 5. Great job, boys and girls. We're almost done. Pick 2 other colors. I have apples and pots. Maybe I'll make my pots brown because it reminds me of planting in the garden. All right, 1 pot, 2 pots, 3 pots, and 4 pots. So I'm going to write 4. Let's see, my apples. 1, 2, 3 apples. Good job. Let's match our pictures. 1 pot, 1 apple. 2 pots, 2 apples. 3 pots, 3 apples. Oh no, is there an apple for the 4th pot? No, there's not. Okay, now which one shows me less? Are there less pots or less apples? That's right. 3 is less than 4. There are fewer apples than pots. Great job, friends. We just have 1 more picture to go. Let's do it. I'm going to get orange for the fish, and I'm going to get pink for the octopus. All right, let's count our fish. 1, 2, 3 fish. Let's label it here. And 1 octopus with 8 legs. Reminds me of Hugtopus, doesn't it? But Hugtopus has 6 legs. All right, let's match our pictures, friends. 1 fish, 1 octopus. And that's all I can do, isn't it? I have 2 extra fish. I only have 1 octopus. Okay, which one shows me fewer? Which one is less? That's right, the octopus is 2 fewer. So that means 1 is less than 3. Great job today, boys and girls. You have learned so much this week. Let's go back and review all the things you learned this week. On lesson 2-1, you learned more, fewer, and same as. On lesson 2-2, we compare numbers with 1 and 2 more. On lesson 2-3, you compare numbers with 1 and 2 fewer. On lesson 2-4, we talked about as many, which means the same. We talked about more and fewer. We counted pictures and made graphs and we compared them. And today we compared the numbers 1 through 5. Excellent job, boys and girls. I can't wait to see all of your wonderful work on Flipgrid. Have a great weekend and we'll see you Monday. Bye, friends.